Hi guys, wishing you all a very Merry Christmas, and here's a little origami which literally takes like less than a minute to make. So let's quickly begin and get right into it. So today I'm using a regular squared origami paper. Lots of you have been asking what do I usually use, and here is the origami paper I usually use for all my videos unless specified otherwise. Hashtag not sponsored. And so actually we're going to begin on the blank side, so you can use whatever colour you want. I'm using red because obviously we're making Santa, but you know, you'll use whatever you want. So first thing first, what we're going to do is fold this in half. Well, not fully in half, we're just going to fold, a little crease on the side here, like a very little crease. That's just to mark out where we're going to fold our flap down after, and then we're going to open it up. So as you can see, just a very small crease. We don't want to make it too big. And then what we're going to do from here is bringing the top left corner, we're going to bring this down to the crease what we just made, making sure it's precise as possible. And then we're simply just going to fold it down, flatten this. So that's our first fold. And then as the next fold, what we're going to do, which is our final fold, is fold this back, and it will align to the top here. So if we just turn this around just to make it easier, so turning it around, we're going to fold this to the top like so, and then like before, we're just going to flatten this out, and now turning back over, because this is the front, and turning it like 180 around, and yeah, here we go. This is our two-fold Santa. So literally this took me less than a minute to make, like literally 30 seconds. I mean, you guys probably could make it faster because I had to like explain it to you guys what to do. And like I said, you can make it whatever color you want. So like I made a green one beforehand, obviously just to test it out. And it's just like a little cute decoration that you can put around your house for Christmas. That's really fast and easy to do. You don't need like any sort of special skill. And yeah, so this is just a small little origami for you guys as a little present right before Christmas Day. I'm making this, and yeah, thank you for watching guys. Subscribe for more videos because I have some stuff coming up next year, and yeah, have a Merry Christmas. Bye guys.